Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make alkaline electric Brazil nut milk. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. Sebi nutritional guide, and they are soaked Brazil nuts, spring water, dates, and sea salt. So let's begin. The first step of making the milk, we're going to take soaked Brazil nuts. I soaked these for about 3 hours. We're going to take some dates. Make sure you remove the pits, but you can also use agave. Add some sea salt, like a pinch or so, and then some spring water. And with a high-powered blender on high, we're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. So after about a minute of blending it, we're going to strain it. And I'm using my milk bag here. And if you don't have a milk bag, you can use cheesecloth or a fine strainer. So then you just take this and just strain it out, squeeze it out. Then afterwards, let it, refrigerate it till it's nice and cold. And then it'll be ready to serve. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Brazil Nut Milk. You can find this recipe in my Volume 5 Gluten-Free Cookbook. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.